Hey ladies, it is Victoria, and as you can already tell by the title, today I will be sharing with you guys how I incorporate Ayurveda in my day-to-day life for hair growth or beauty or just overall health, because I know you guys watch a lot of my videos or you have seen some of the things that I post on Instagram and just wonder, what are you doing? So I'm gonna explain it to you guys now. Okay, so first let me start by saying that with Ayurveda, it is very individual. Just like anyone who's in the natural hair community, I think that's a good example. Anyone in the natural hair community, when you're trying to determine your hair porosity, it's just like that. Or with skin, if you're trying to determine if you have oily skin or dry skin and you're trying to determine which product to use. Ayurveda is very similar to that, and what they do is it's based off of doshas. So before you get started in incorporating any type of Ayurvedic regime into your regular regimen, you want to make sure, or you want to determine what your dosha is, and you can do so at banyanbotanicals.com, and thank you to Banyan Botanicals for helping me with this video. But you can go to banyanbotanicals.com and check to see what your dosha is. There is kapha, pitta, and vata. I happen to be vata. Go check yours to see what yours is, and let's move on. Okay, so for hair growth, you guys have seen me or heard me talk about hair growth since the beginning of me starting YouTube, I believe. But you know that I have always used essential oils, coconut oils, olive oils, and those types of things in my hair. And these are all different types of Ayurvedic practices. Now, a lot of you ask a lot of questions regarding my hair. And because my dosha is Vata, I have drier skin. So I use things that will nourish my scalp. So I use things like castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and I infuse them with essential oils. You guys know that I have like a slew of essential oils, but I infuse them with essential oils and I give myself a scalp massage to aid in hair growth. Now, for those of you who follow me on Instagram and have seen some of my posts with different types of ferments or different recipes that I make, you'll see that one of those are turmeric tea. And the reason I like to ingest turmeric tea, which is another Ayurvedic practice, is because it is great for inflammation and it actually aids in hair growth, because what it does is it helps boost circulation of the blood. So that is going to help with hair growth. And not only is turmeric tea great for the hair, but it's also great for the skin. Let's get into skin. Now, as I was saying, turmeric tea is also good for your skin. Now, keep in mind, with healthy hair growth, that is going to be just as important as healthy skin, because your scalp is your skin, ladies. So you want to treat your scalp in the same manner that you treat your skin. So like I was saying, with turmeric tea, it is great for, it's a blood purifier, it enhances circulation, so therefore it improves the condition of your skin. Another one of my favorite skincare practices are my honey masks. As you guys have seen in my previous videos, I like to apply honey directly to my skin and use it as a honey mask. I saw some of your comments in the comment section like, why is this lady slathering honey on her skin? But it is because it promotes collagen and it helps get rid of like fine lines and wrinkles, and it makes your skin glow. I also had this mentioned this in one of my beauty hacks videos, because it really does, and it's also an Ayurvedic practice. Now, another Ayurvedic practice that I love is meditation. You guys know that I try to meditate as often as possible, and I think it's very important. I feel like I should have mentioned this earlier on in the video, because stress is plaguing so many people, not just women, it's not just men, but even little kids. Like, kids are on antidepressants now because of so much stress, and it causes health conditions and mental imbalances, chemical imbalances. So I think it's so important to de-stress and declutter as much as possible. And I do this, I find that is best for me through meditation. Now, if you're anything like me and you go and take your dosha quiz and you realize that you have a vata imbalance, then you are even more so prone to insomnia, anxiety, and that stress. So what I've been doing is Banyan Botanicals has a wonderful line of vata balancing supplements and herbalized oils. I've been using their Sleep Easy oil, which is absolutely amazing. I've been using their Vata massage oil. It's relaxing, warming, and grounding. And they also have a supplement called Healthy Vata. And I tell you, the difference between then and now has been just unbelievable. Another reason I love meditation so much is because it is a great way to stay grounded. It puts you, I don't know, almost like in a state of love. Have you ever heard of someone saying, like, if you're in love or if you're in a new relationship, someone saying, "You're glowing, you look like you're glowing," because you are, you're in a state of love. So meditation does that for me. That's just my personal experience, but I definitely want to encourage you guys to try it. You know, in Ayurveda, they actually say that a woman's inner beauty, the harmony between her heart and her spirit, reveals themselves through her outer beauty. And that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it encourages you to include or to incorporate Ayurveda into your lifestyle. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can determine which dosha you are, and that's going to be at banyanbotanicals.com. And as usual, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. It's Ayurveda. 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 Why do I keep saying Ayurveda? Ayurveda. This is not like a tomato situation. What if I met someone named Veda? Hi, I'm Victoria. Are you Veda? Ayurveda. I bet I still say R. I bet I still say Ayurveda because I'm just going to remember the way that it's spelled. Ayurveda. It's spelled Ayurveda, but it's pronounced Ayurveda. 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 Let's talk about Ayurveda.